Hi, I'm Michael Ondrigan, Vice President for Academic Affairs at LIM College, where business meets fashion. I'm also a professor at the graduate studies level, where I teach global fashion marketing. So when you go shopping, when you buy your garments, do you look at the labels? Do you see what's in the labels? The country of origin, fiber content, wash care instructions? All three of those are mandated by the US federal government. And I want to talk about one in particular, country of origin. The World Trade Organization, WTO, mandates where the country of origin is based on where the grade of value is added to that particular garment. So what does that mean? Basically not much. It doesn't tell you a whole heck of a lot. What it does tell you is where the garment is really created and added value. So for instance, if it's 100% cotton, this cotton could have been picked in the United States of America. It could have been shipped to China, where it was made into a yarn. And from there, that yarn could have been made into a knitted fabric and then transported all the way to Vietnam, Bangladesh, Taiwan, whatever country that the garment was actually being constructed in. All of those components get added together. And the added value of the components in that one particular country is where the greater value is added. In this case, it is the labor that is affected by that. So where the labor is the higher cost of all the sum of all the components, what you will see is that as a country of origin. So the World Trade Organization says, made in Vietnam. So consumers look at it and say, wow, that whole garment came from Vietnam? Maybe not. This is one of the interesting facts that you'll learn when you take our courses in the Masters of Professional Studies at LIM College.